So you know how in Soapstone, when you go to Soapstone, I think the limit there is like 20 people or maybe 25 people. So if
Yeah.
somebody's doing stand-up, like they can only do stand-up to like 20 people at a time.
Oh.
I read this article that they are actually working on a feature in Horizon where you can stream to like multiple instances of a game. So like if you have a stand-up comedian in Soapstone, if you if you have a stand-up, what are you drinking there? Never mind.
Tequila.
If you have a stand-up comedian in Soapstone, then
Mm-hmm.
that person could be streamed to multiple instances of that game. So you could have theoretically like thousands of people in different instances of Soapstone, but they're all watching the same performance.
Well, that actually makes sense, and I'm glad they're doing that in
I
case,
think
for
that's
the inner comedian of
I think
all
that's
of
really
us.
cool. I think that's huge. Now it's going to be much easier to scale it, right? And by the
Yeah,
way,
exactly.
it will be exactly how when we were watching Connect and Mark's
Mm-hmm.
keynote in
Oh,
VR.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Very
I mean,
cool.
there were multiple instances of that room, and I'm guessing there were thousands of people watching at the same time. But when we were
Well,
in that
yeah, of
room,
course.
we were in the room with like I don't know, maybe 30 people. So I think that's
Yeah,
pretty cool.
okay. I like that idea. That goes
Yeah.
for singers and whatever else.
So
Whoever
yeah,
wants to do entertaining.
cheers.
That's actually perfect. Cheers.
You know what? I don't know if it looks like you're drinking or if it looks like you have Tabasco sauce that you just like to taste the Tabasco sauce on.
It does look like Tabasco sauce
It does look
already.
like a Tabasco
Oh,
bottle,
thank you
doesn't it?
very much. There goes the tequila bottle.
No, I'm sorry. I mean, I know it was meant to be a tequila bottle. Oops, never mind. I'm just gonna.
I'm already
I will
insulted.
see you
Move
later.
on.
Bye. Bye.
No tequila
Bye.
for you.